Hi, I'm John with DVO Realty, and today I'm excited to show you this modern contemporary home located in South Grove Subdivision in Ecoland, Davao City. It features a 180 square meters lot area and a floor space of about 200 square meters. It has a 4-bedroom, 3 toilet and baths, and 2 car park. By the way, the 2 houses behind me are up for sale in the market at the moment. But today, I'm going to show you one of the model houses because it's almost similar with the floor plan on the other house. Tara, let's check the property. Now you have a frontage here of about 12 meters and you have your man gate here. You also have fully fenced property. So patuyok, fenced na siya already. On my left side, you have your space here for your gleaning area. So you can put your plants here or you can put a table and chairs for your tambayan, no? Here on my right side, you have your space for your 2-car park. So it can accommodate 2 SUVs, no? Diri ang area. So you also have your room here for your maid's quarter or for your storage area. And now I'm going to show you what's inside this property. Tara, let's check. As you enter, you have your wooden door here and you have your space for your living area here. And you have this large windows that gives a natural light ventilation. Also, it comes with a screen already. Para kung gusto mo og bugnaw, airy, ang feel sa house is naa na siya appeal. You can set up your sofa here and you can set up your television in that area. And you have your dining area here. So this can accommodate for about 6 to 8 seater dining table. And you have your sliding door here that comes with screen already. That will lead you to the back of the property kung asa makita ang imong laundry area or dirty kitchen. So as for the kitchen, we have cabinets for the base and overhead cabinets. Upon turnover, this is 95% complete. So you have your cooktop here and you have your sink on that area. So the good thing about this is na siya yung mga abang daan na mga saksakan. So that's for your oven, for rice cooker, or for your heater. So it is very well thought out na design. So you have your door here that will lead you to the back of the property kung asa ang imuhang dirty kitchen o ang imuhang laundry area. And on the ground floor, you also have your common toilet and bath which your guests can use or kung kinsa man ang nagapuyo or nagastay sa imuhang room on the first floor. So it is adjacent to the room on the first floor. Here, you have quite spacious room for your guests or for someone who will stay in this room. So it comes already with an aircon. It comes also already with a wardrobe cabinet. I forgot to mention na naana po day appeal nga split type aircon diri sa ground floor so that there will be no more installation needed pag ma-turnover na sa inyo ang house. Tara, let's check the second floor of this house. As for the stairs that will lead you to the second floor, you have a solid wood planks and also you have a lot of glass window here for the ventilation. So pagsaka nimo, you have your family area here. It's quite spacious family area. You can put your sofa here and it has an access to your balcony. As for the balcony of this house, you have a spacious balcony and you have a good view of the greenery of the subdivision and it's very relaxing to the eyes. On the second floor, naatay tulo ka rooms. And I'm going to show you the first room first. This is the first room of the second floor. It already has a window type aircon. Naana po siya wardrobe cabinet and you have a lot of windows for the ventilation. So all windows comes with a screen already so that you can open the screen at midnight kung dili mo kailangan gamiton ng aircon. On the second room, it's also quite similar when it comes to the floor space in the first room. Mas dako-dako ra ni siya. And also, you have your wardrobe cabinet and you have your AC window type aircon in this room. As for the common toilet and bath on the second floor, it's undergoing construction, but hopefully for the next month, it will be finished already. So you have a spacious toilet and bath here with floor to ceiling tiles na apil na siya. And I'm going to show you the master bedroom of this house. So on your master bedroom, you have a lot of windows here that has a good view of the trees outside. You also have your walk-in closet on this area. You have your vanity table here. You have your shelves here where you can put your things. You can sort out the things that you will be having, and you have an ample space for the cabinets. So it is push and pull cabinets. You have also your drawers inside the cabinets, and it is adjacent to the master's toilet and bath. I'm excited to show you the full house tour of this property when it's finished. But for now, you can send your inquiries or you can schedule a viewing before it sells out on the market. If you are interested to own this property, send us a message. I am John Paul Flame with DVO Realty. See you!